Yeah, we do. It's good practice for you.
Yes.
See, combine like terms.
But not if you go forward.
1 plus 8n equals 9.
It's going to be n equals.
Subtract 1, subtract 1. I get 8n. I'm going to do this really quick. See how quickly I can do this. Divide by 8, divide by 8. N equal 1.
0.
Okay, number 3. Subtract 7.
Y.
Subtract 7
Y.
to get the fractional term by itself.
Oh. Okay.
2 fifths x equals 24. Easiest way to get rid of a fractional coefficient? Multiply by the reciprocal.
120 divided by 860.
These cancel the 1. I get x. See, 24 divided by 2 is 12 times 5 is 60. Wonderful. Man, you guys have really learned a lot. I'm actually impressed with you. I might pass a couple of you. Just a couple. Are you sick? All right, number 5. Let's keep up with the... You know what? I'm going to multiply. You could do this a couple of ways.
How?
I think I'm going to multiply by a common denominator.
Yeah.
Okay? I'm going to put that over 1.
Why?
So my common denominator is 2.
Well,
So I'm going to multiply every term by 2 because I don't want to deal with fractions.
why?
Because I don't like them.
Okay.
Okay, negative 5x times 2 is negative 10x. See, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 times negative 17 is negative 17. Look at that. See how easy that is?
No.
Combine our like terms.
You're going to have x equals 1. 1.
Yep. Negative 17x equals negative 17. Divide by the coefficient. Negative 17. So x equal 1. Okay, number 7. What do I have to do? I have numbers in front of parentheses. I'm out of coffee. Might have to stop. Yeah, I might have to crank it up. Yeah. Yeah. See, 5 times 5, 5 times 3x, so I get 25. Good. 4 times 3x. 12x. 4 times 1. Alright. Let's see, let's subtract 12x. You can do this, yeah, you could do this several different ways.
I'm disappointed. You need not keep the one without dx.
Okay, now let's hear you talk. Let me hear you talk. Are you nasally?
Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
You watching the videos online? Okay. Do you need help with anything? Because if you do, you're going to have to ask Mr. Chambers.
Only if you're wearing a mask and outside.
Oh my god.
Here, give that to her.
Oh my god.
I'm too busy.
Have a nice weekend.
You're going to have 7.
Hey, tomorrow you're going to have to take the post test. You're gonna have to take the post test. You might have to sit out in the hall or something.
Final.
It's only Thursday.
I don't know. Tomorrow's post test day.
The written part of our
There's a
farm.
clear cut plastic bag for you to read through.
I gotta wear a basket gloves tomorrow. I am your father.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Hey, is Star Wars come out? When's it come out? Tomorrow, right?
Tomorrow.
We should have done a field trip tonight.
Yeah.
Does it?
Not the premiere, but the after midnight.
Yeah.
After midnight.
So technically, it comes
I saw 1, 2, and 3. at midnight.
Did you?
Yeah.
I fell asleep in
I fell asleep.
number 4.
First one.
I have them all.
Are you leaning against my table?
Yeah.
Stop leaning against my table. Yeah, don't make the table both times.
There you go, Damien.
What's up, David?
The other shoe is going to fall out.
Yeah, I know. I gotta nail those down. Just leave it. We're good. Just don't lean on my table.
What do you want, Talia?
Hey, no, yep.
What?
They have 21 divided by 7. Oh, no.
Yeah.
It'd be negative.
You put the answer down. It's supposed to be 21 divided by negative 21.
Get confused.
He wrote the answer down.
Yeah.
That's what you get. That's what you get for having me shut your fancy.
Number 9's a proportion. How do I solve it?
3.
That's right. Cross multiply. Make sure that these are in parentheses. 2 times the quantity x minus 5 equals 1 times x. So I get 2x minus 10. We could subtract 2x this time. Be easier. Negative 10 equals x. Is that, oh, sorry, negative x, so x equals 10. And the last page. This is the last 4 problems I'm doing this year.
Really?
Last 4 problems I'm doing this year.
Here.
So what are we doing tomorrow?
Post test. Okay, subtract 2 from both sides. I get x over 4 is less than or equal to 5.
Why?
I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator 4, or 4 over 1.
Why?
Because I can cancel out before I multiply. So 4 goes into 4 once. 4 goes into 4 once. So all I have is just 1. 1 times x is x. That's why I multiply by the reciprocal too, because I get that 1 for a coefficient. Gets rid of it, basically.
Are you sick?
Okay, number 3. Okay, I have the fractional term by itself, so I'm going to multiply by the denominator 7, or 7 over 1. Again, they cancel the 1. 1 times the absolute value of v plus 9 is the absolute value of v plus 9. Absolute values, I always have 2 cases to solve, right? Right, right, right. V plus 9 equals 7. And it doesn't matter whether you use and or because we're an equal sign. V plus 9 equal negative 7. Subtract 9 from both sides. V equal -2, or V can equal -16 after I subtract 9 from each side. Two more problems and I'm done. Two more. Solve each compound inequality and graph its solution. So we got to write the graphs.
Why?
Because that's what the directions say. All right, multiply both sides by the denominator 6. So I get P
Why?
less than or equal to 1 times 6 is 6.
Why?
Or
Why?
add 10 to both sides. And I get P is greater than 9. Graph it.
Where's P?
And my smaller number is 6. Larger one is 9. Okay, open or close circle at 6. That's right, closed. Open or close circle at 9. That's right, open. Follow your inequality signs.
Why?
Or statements always look like, I don't know, rabbit
Did you make
ears.
this worksheet?
I made it a long time ago.
There's a joke in this worksheet.
There is?
Yeah.
I think I made it a long time ago. Last one I'm doing. Forever and ever and ever.
Why?
Subtract 4 from both sides.
Why?
N is greater than or equal to 1 minus 4 is -3. And add 9 to both sides.
Is this your last year of teaching?
I wish it was. You know what that would mean? That would mean I'd be retiring.
You should.
Problem is I have no money.
Oh, good job. It's your fault.
Thank you. I was kind of hoping to leech off the government.
You don't want to do
Unemployment.
Or if I was a corporation.
Yeah.
Okay, close circle at 3, -3.
Maybe I should make myself
Close circle at 6.
LLC.
And let's see, we're going to have an overlap here, aren't we?
No, obviously not.
Greater than -3,
Why?
less than 6.
Why?
So what's a shaded?
In between?
Everything is, isn't it?
No,
The entire number line.
no,
Because this is going to go shade forever and ever and ever and ever.
no.
So this is all real numbers. This is the solution.
Why? Why?
Because the whole line's shaded. And I am done.